Day 982. Epic rain here. Keeping you along for the journey as much as we can. It's a lot, but it's fun and it's awesome. It's cool to see everything we've done so far.
I know. I think about when we got her and then where she's at now.
I know. You check out this video right here, and that's where we bought her.
That's where we started.
That's where we started. And this
Now
is where
we're
we are
here.
now.
Because we started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team fucking here. And a big thank you to everyone who has showed us some love and support in the last couple weeks, and especially the last couple days. All the little messages and surprise stop-bys and little visits have been so fun, and we're so thankful for everyone who is excited for us and who is excited about our journey. Several people have told us it's like a labor of love when they see us working every day or whatever, and it's kind of fun because I know we're gonna live in here and enjoy our life in here together, so building it together is just incredible.
It is.
We put our blood, sweat, and tears into this baby, and we're gonna reap the benefits, you know? So yeah, thanks for swaying on by. And yeah, we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye guys.
Day 12. We are now in an even more torn apart RV, and we have less days. But it's looking even more positive because a lot of changes happened. Right now I'm doing some old wires so we can put them in their proper place. Take this really old casing off. In tribute to our window, R.I.P. Oh. Because it cracked and we're not gonna fix it. Oh man, that was a perfectly good piece of glass. But instead, even better idea, we're gonna make it a whole wall and we'll be able to chill in our bed. 2 hours.
Also time to get this insulation padding into the cab. We're gonna put it on the floor and inside the doghouse. And here's our walls. Do you guys like our walls?
What's up, everyone? First of all, I'm chilling up here on our bed, which is super cool. Have the outdoor window there. There's me laying down. Outdoor window there. Daily fiberglass window. So I wanted to say, as you know, we haven't posted a daily video. We were on a roll posting daily videos. We had one where we did 3. This one, of course, is like a whole week combined. That's because it's a lot to edit and post videos after a long day of hard work, working on the RV, and doing other necessary things that we need to do. But regardless, it's awesome. We love it. Every moment of it. We're gonna continue to try to do daily videos, but you're gonna get a week for this one because it's been lit. You can see we've done a lot, and we're gonna take you along every part of it and every part we can, every part we can edit and share with you. We're doing our best. Eppic Rain. We're fucking awesome. You're awesome for watching us. We appreciate it. Appreciate the support. Appreciate, just that's it. Whatever. Hell yeah. What do you think, babe? Getting it done. Sitting on Ocean Avenue. Or maybe just in Bessie. Ocean Avenue, Bessie.